Umthembu udila-ke nomkhosi kuphela uyamyeka uNdlovu. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 11th to the 15th of November 2024 on Monday. The council learns of the lie about the night Zamcolo was born. To the sound of blaring horns, the chicken come home to roast. The elephant is in the room hunt Kapsile and Lwazi on Tuesday. Kapsile continues acting like a good daughter, but Ntombi is unto her. Siphamandla and Mabusi make big plans with their future or for their future. Ndlovu ridiculous the councilman threats on Wednesday. Just as Nomkhosi is tormented by the horns, she suddenly has to deal with the consequences of her action. Mthembu interferes and brings someone back home on Thursday. The Mthembus find out Ndlovu was behind Kulegani's rebellion. Manzimande turns dark. Gabi's heart is broken into a million pieces on Friday. An evil Makoti cast aside all pride, kneel in front of Spamandla, begging for salvation. Ndlovu believes she is the next Umkhululi, but Umamzobe has other ideas. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.